Hi everybody, look at this very fun origami paper spinning toy. Let's make it. Cut multicolor strip of craft paper. Now cut 4 circles, punch hole at the center. Now we are going to paste all the colorful strip around it, flip it, and again we are going to do this from the top as well. Paste it and then put a stick at the center, secure it at the top. After this we are going to put a stick at the center like we are doing here, and it's done. Let's make this beautiful flower. So take a small piece of paper, make multiple cuts on it using a cutter and paste it using double-sided tape. Now we are going to roll it around this green stick, and look, your flower is ready. Now we are also making another flower, so paste it like we are doing here, and we are going to overlap it on the flower we have made earlier, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers using craft paper. So take a square pink craft paper and start folding it, flip it and again fold it, tuck it inside, and look, it is ready. We're going to make 6 such pieces and paste all of them one after another, tuck it inside and paste it using glue like we're doing here, and it's ready. Then we're going to tuck it finally, curl its petals using a stick and do the same from all its sides, and look, it's done. Now gently open it and look, your flower is ready. We're going to make multiple cut on this yellow craft paper and put it at the center, and your flower is ready. Paste its leaves and it's done. Take a pink craft paper, make multiple cuts on it using scissors, flip it and curl those cuts like we are doing here. Now we are going to roll a green stick and roll the pink craft paper around it using double-sided tape, and look, your flower is ready. Now take 2 small pieces of green craft paper, cut 2 leaves and paste all of them on the flower stick like this, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. You can make more colorful flowers like this. Cut this plastic bottle into half. Now cut 35 such red craft paper pieces. Now cut the paper cup base and put all of them one after another on the base of the paper cup like we are doing here. Paste it using double-sided tape and repeat the process one after another. We are making a beautiful rose flower here. Flip the paper cup and your flower is ready. Put it on the top of the plastic bottle and cover it using mask. We are making a bouquet here, and look how pretty these are looking. Let's make this lotus hanging using craft paper. Take a green craft paper and cut a petal shape like this. We are going to make colorful shapes like we are doing here and make the petal. Now we are going to paste all of them one after another on this circle using double-sided tape, and look, your flower is ready. Now put fairy light inside it and look, it's done. Let's make this paper sunflower fan. So take a A4 sheet of paper. We are folding yellow craft paper here, make mini folds. Now we are going to paste it using double-sided tape, cut the edges, make 2 such pieces. Now we are going to fold this green craft paper and paste all of them together, and look, your flower is ready. Let's make this colorful flower fan. So cut a circle of 10 cm diameter. Now paste it using double-sided tape and make a petal like this. Now make colorful such petals and paste all of them like we are doing here. Now roll a green strip of paper and paste it around it, and look, it's ready.